This is a tour of the interior room on the Radiance. Okay, hello, this is our room tour. So it's very, very small. So right here is the bathroom. Not much to see. And then these are the closets. Here. Well, let me just, these are like the closets, the hangers. These are where the life jackets are. I can even open it. And then another closet. And the refrigerator's down there. And these are all the drawers. And then all of our stuff. Then there's the two beds, the cabinet right there, and the dresser.
Leave, already packing, come with me, I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be.